How to enable camera access on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable camera access on your Snapchat. So whenever you open up your Snapchat, are you getting this option that says Snapchat camera is a camera app and you don't have access for it? If that's the case, you will need to head over to your settings. After you're on your settings, you will need to come to this page right here. If you don't know how to get here, I'll show you. This is the settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down till you find the apps option. Tap on apps and search for Snapchat. After you find Snapchat, open it up. And right there you'll find camera option. Toggle it on and now your problem's been fixed. Now your Snapchat has camera access. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye.